Crude oil, we start with daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, the price have broke this top. Sorry. Okay, the price have broke this top. If we put our trend line, our line, we will see it. Okay, you wanna see how high this one can go. Okay, now the things is how we can trade for the next week. This is what we based on daily chart. We have nothing, just the up. The way is moving is the up move. And if we move to forward chart, we have this correction after the price drop. This is what we get. Now the things is we need to be quite careful when we see this kind of the move. Is up? The way is moving. Sometimes you have when we see this kind of the move, we can expect the price to drop, at least move for the bigger correction. That means if we move to 1 hour chart, we can see is moving. The way is moving is really corrective. If we want to trade it, we should know that this kind of the move mostly can give us one more drop. Whether this drop can be start of the reversal, as we can see the price broke the previous top, or can turn to a correction for continuation. That means if anyone wants to trade for this, they should wait for, if for example, if they want to look for buy, they should wait for the correction before they take the trade. Okay, and if we see any sharp move with a flag, we can look for sell. And if we want to buy, first of all, we wait to get the one down move, then any reversal we look for, we take the buy, or if we see this one turn to a correction, we can look for buy. But right now, I don't think it's a good idea to buy here unless we can get the correction. Okay, that's mean when we don't have any trade set up for next week. The only thing is we want to see when the market open what we get here, as I mentioned. Okay, anyway, we cannot say whether we are going to buy or to sell, because even if we move to the weekly chart, we can see the price is near to this top, the previous top based on weekly chart. Okay, this one broke, this one is not yet. Okay, no, that's why buying here without getting the confirmation is not good idea. And the only reason is if we move to lower time frame, we will see this on forward chart. Okay, now we want to see at least if we get a correction. If you want to look for buy, at least we have to wait for correction, similar to what we have here. The way it was moving, then we turn to a correction. But this one, if it drop, can give us a deeper correction. Okay, anyway, we don't have anything to talk about. Trade setup, the only thing is we have to wait. We see how high. If this one continues like the way it's moving, we cannot trade it even if we move to 15 minutes. No. Okay, we can see based on 15 minutes, mostly we can expect at least one drop, may similar to this, at least, before we get the next move. And if the price drop, we get the flag, mostly can give us one more drop. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade setup. All it depends on when the market open, what we will get from here. In this case, we just follow the chart. When I see when the market open, if I see any trade or confirmation, then I will share. Thanks.